Today on Globe News, hear about students' achievements in the arts to workshop happenings around campus to improve students' lifestyles. Stay tuned. Globe News starts now.
Welcome to Globe News. I'm Abraham Villalobos.
And I'm Dayanna Perez. The Center for Health and Counseling hosts a Massage Monday event at Taylorsville Redwood campus every Monday. This massage event is free for all students and staff looking for some relaxation during the day.
So we try to promote our services at the Center for Health and Counseling. We have massage, medical, and counseling services. So on Mondays we do our Massage Monday where our massage therapist comes and massages students for 10 minutes on the chair. It's a great way for students to kind of dip their toes into massage, or if they don't want to be able to, they can't afford the full massage.
Go to slcc.edu/chc to find out about future events hosted by the Center of Health and Counseling.
The annual Student Art Showcase had their opening event and honors presentation on Thursday, March 26th. The 2026 showcase is sponsored by the Visual and Art and Design Department. The event featured 146 pieces created by 72 students. The collection is on display at the multipurpose room at the South City campus. The artists had to submit their work between February 23rd and March 3rd. President Greg Peterson officially kicked off the award ceremony, welcoming everyone to the event. The winners were announced by Assistant Professor Justin Anderson as they made their way to the podium to receive their certificates. Over 130 guests toured the showcase and mingled with fellow patrons. The student artists brought their families and friends to see their pieces.
I really wanted to paint some desserts that were visually appealing, and because I have a huge sweet tooth, and I also own this teapot, and I thought it would be a great addition to the composition. So I put them all together, added some lighting, and took a reference photo, and I painted this.
The exhibition will be open through April 9th, Monday through Thursday, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m., and Fridays from noon to 4 p.m. For more information, check out slcc.edu/visualarts.
From future opportunities to hands-on learning, let's hear what is happening around SLCC. SLCC is hosting the West Point Open House. Visitors will have a chance to explore programs hands-on and see open labs that SLCC Tech has to offer. Programs areas like machine welding, robotics, and more will be on display. Meet with instructors and advisors and learn about career pathways and degrees that can be earned. Join April 8th from 5 to 9 p.m.
For those wanting to learn how to garden, SLCC is hosting the Seed Starting Workshop. The workshop allows students hands-on practice starting and caring for plants. Get a chance to build confidence as a gardener, as no experience is needed to attend and supplies will be provided. Sessions will be held throughout the week of April 7th through April 9th from 1 to 2 p.m. at various locations. Those interested can check out calendar.slcc.edu for more details about current or future upcoming events and workshops at SLCC.
SLCC workshops aren't just helping students be good planters, but also good money managers. Cyprus Credit Union and the Office of Bazaar have teamed up to bring the SLCC community a 4 series on the financial literacy. Teresa Chałkowski has more on this story.
On March 17th, SLIC's Financial Wellbeing Program and Cyprus Credit Union presented the first of a 4-week series workshop on financial literacy at the Taylorsville Redwood campus. The purpose of the workshop was to develop the skills and confidence necessary to handle finances. The first week was called Banking 101. Some topics discussed were how to manage your money responsibly and types of saving mechanisms designed to help individuals achieve their financial goals, like savings accounts, money market accounts, and certificates of deposit. Attendees learned how to prevent overdraft transactions and how to avoid being the victim of check fraud. In addition, information about applying for a loan was presented. Lenders not only assess your credit score and existing debt, but they also take into account your history with financial institutions. This includes how long you've been with each institution and the number of accounts you have opened.
I was so pleased to see the attendance today, and I was really appreciative of the questions that were going back to the middle of the presentation. I can see where students are thinking what they want to apply for their own financial situation and asking those clarifying items to be able to do so.
The last 3 sessions were budgeting, the importance of good credit, and home buying. The weekly workshop went through April 7th. Attendees received a $25 incentive if they attended 3 workshops and a $50 incentive if they attended all 4 workshops.
I think finance is really cool and I want to learn about it. It'd be good to have a decent hold on my finances.
Okay, and what did you think of today's presentation?
I really liked it. She was really good at explaining everything. I feel like I learned a lot.
Students can check the Financial Wellbeing Program page at the slcc.edu for dates and location of the Smart Sense workshop happening around campus.
That's it for this episode of Globe News. To watch this episode and past episodes of Globe News, go to globeslcc.com or find us on facebook.com/slccsmc or on YouTube, Instagram, and X at slccsmc. For Globe News, I'm Abraham Villalobos.
And I'm Dayanna Perez. Thank you for watching Globe News.